Today, we're going to be tying up a fly pattern that YouTube won't even allow me to name. However, I'm sure that someone can help you out in the comments. To tie it, we'll start off with some black thread. Snip the excess free. And grab some tinsel. We'll snip free a small piece, securing it tightly to our hook shank and wrapping back slightly into the bend of our hook. Before reversing our thread's direction. And grabbing some orange chenille. We'll strip some of the excess fibers free, secure it to our hook shank, stopping just before the bend of our hook. With this complete, we'll bring our thread forward, securing our tag ends in the process. And if you'd like to win this fly, comment #flies in the comments below. Cover up your tag ends to help lock it in place and lay down a thread base for our following steps. At which point, we'll grab our tinsel and begin wrapping it forward, starting with close touching spirals, creating a bit of a hot spot at the back of our fly. Once we reach the chenille, we'll continue wrapping it forward, but this time in open spirals. Once again doing so until we reach our thread. Secure it tightly in place, taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind, and snipping your excess free. We'll then grab some purple deer hair. Insert it into a hair stacker to help align the tips before securing it to the top side of our fly. To aid in doing so, you can take a loose thread wrap around it before using your thread to lock it in place. Snip the excess free before grabbing some red colored deer hair. Once again stack it up, grab your deer hair, and secure it to the head of the fly, just as we've done before. Snip the excess free and grab some white Maribou. We'll trim away the tip for its finer fibers before securing it over the top of our deer hair. Secure it tightly in place and snip your excess free. We'll then cover up the tag ends, leaving a prominent head, as I like to do for classic fly patterns. And while it's not the best looking head of the fly I've ever done, it's a great example of how UV resin can help make your fly tying look a whole lot better. We'll paint it over with a nice even coat, taking care to get the shape that we're looking for. Once happy, we'll fix it in place with the UV light. And this is a classic fly pattern that's well known in my state for catching brook trout, along with landlocked salmon. And if you'd like to know its name, I'm sure you can find it in the comments below. So thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.